Hello everyone and welcome back to Cuisine. Today I'll show you how to make a very easy refreshing drink made with raw mangoes known as Aam Panna. Let's quickly take a look at the recipe. We'll first start by making the basic pulp. To make this, boil the raw mangoes. You can use any variety of mango of your choice. Boil these mangoes until they're completely soft. Once they are done, let this cool down to room temperature. Now remove the pulp from the skin with the help of a spoon. Similarly, take the pulp out from the mango seed as well. Do not throw the water we used to boil the mango, as we'll use it later on. Now to this mango pulp, make use of the boiled water. Next, take a blender and add the mango pulp. Add some more water if you want. Squeeze half a lemon, followed by some mint leaves. Add around 2 tablespoons of sugar or as per your taste. Next, add in a pinch of black salt and 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, followed by a pinch of salt. Give this a good mix, and now let's blend it. The mango pulp has become very smooth now and it's all ready to use. You can also store this in the fridge for a week. Now it's time to serve. Take a chill glass. If you ask me why, try this out and you can see the difference. Some ice cubes and then pour the mixture in the chill glass. You can also mix some more cold water and it's totally up to you. Garnish with fresh mint leaves and here it is. Cool, refreshing Aam Panna is ready. Hope you like this recipe. If yes, don't forget to share this video. Let me know how you make Aam Panna in your own way. You subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon if you haven't done yet. Keep watching Cuisine and I'll be back with my next video very soon. Until then, bye-bye.